Hi friends, how are you? Thanks for joining me today. Over the weekend, I did something scandalous. I painted the wood white. Now we have construction workers here today, so you're gonna hear probably sounding, all that good stuff. Let's just try to roll through it. But anyway, many of you had said, Liz, you need to paint some wood, break it all up. There's just too much of it. And then there was the other group that said, don't you dare do that. In nice words, of course. Don't do it. You're gonna take away from the look of the log home and you're gonna devalue the house. And so I was so torn. But when I look at this kitchen and then I saw this, and I'll put a picture right here, it just, to me, made the kitchen look choppy. Hear that? Anyway, I'm sure some of you will agree with me. It looked a little choppy. It didn't flow together nicely. So I had to do some coaxing with my husband because he does not want to paint any of the wood. And I said, really, this would be a great place to start if we're gonna do it. And then he's like, but there's no going back. And if it doesn't look good, we're gonna have to take the paint off, sand, repaint, or restain. And I thought, I know, but when I get something in my head, I commit to it. So on Saturday, I said, let's do it. So on Saturday, we had all kinds of projects going on. My husband went out onto the deck and he's adding, they're called pontoon lights, kind of like at our other house where you string the lights and it looks really fun. He's doing that on this side of the deck. And while he was doing that, I was painting this whole area. It was a little trickier than I thought to paint this. I thought, oh, this is just a small area, piece of cake. It took me several hours because of the little cracks in the wood. Now, I don't know what this wood is called. So I had to get into every little crevice and paint in between. But I love it because it looks like shiplap. I'm like, hello, I love it. Check it out, you guys. And it really does, it just, when you stand back over there, it looks like an extension of the kitchen. In fact, it makes it look bigger and it just flows better. So yeah, let me show you. Now, before I show you, I just want to mention one more thing. Because I know that I said that I was thinking about doing, sort of phasing out of farmhouse and more into French country. The facts are, guys, I like way too many different styles of decorating. And I typically change my mind frequently, as you guys know. So I may say I'm phasing out of farmhouse. And then a season later, I'm bringing it back. It's just, you have to do what you like. And sometimes with me, I am indecisive. I hate it one second and then I love it the next. So, go figure. And sometimes I will watch a YouTube video where somebody has completely inspired me. And I can't remember the girl's name. If I remember, I will do a shout out for her. But there's this new girl I found. She's beautiful. She has blonde hair. She does sort of French country farmhouse, but with very neutrals, but lots of shiplap and stuff. Oh my gosh, I was just blown away by her decorating and so in awe. And then that sort of got me thinking, oh, I wonder if I should bring some of mine back. Then I watched some of my videos and I remembered certain things that I had that were farmhouse and I brought them back. So in a different house. So it will look different, but you may remember some of these items. So when you stand back over here, I just want to show you, coming over this way, this just looked out of place with the other wood. And now if I go over here, doesn't that transition nicely? And so I'm really loving this white a lot. So you can see here I've got this black island, black hood. This is all white. So I thought the black kind of popped. And then over here, real quick, sneak peek, black bookshelves. I finally got the third one. Like I said, I'm going to take it apart. We're going to redecorate this together because I want to tweak it. But anyway, what else can I show you? I added this to cover the electrical outlet. So I've got a cute little basket with some ferns, and I think it looks nicely with the the black farmhouse sign. Once again, real quick sneak peek. Over here, these are the 2 wine refrigerators in this little niche, and I hung a chandelier there over the weekend and then put a mirror right there, and I think it looks kind of cute. This was dark over here, so I really think it looks cute, you know? And then I did this the other day. This is our pantry, so I hung the farmhouse pantry sign. And these doors were just boring to me. And this was a great way to jazz them up. Anyway, I got that cute little sign on Amazon. I'll link it below. And then, I don't know. I know it's pantry, but I still think it looks cute. And then these were over by my master bedroom. And I just I cut this garland and I just pushed it in there. I screwed these into the door, so when you open the pantry doors, they're not gonna, go anywhere. Now over here, I hung a shutter with a lantern with candles in it. And then got my little remote. And so at night, it's super cozy. And then I have this little candle holder right there. I might replace that with a garden ball. And then this little table, I just have some apples and a cute little arrangement. Now over here, where the bathroom is, I've got a little bath sign, and then I hung the wreath that I got from TJ Maxx. I hung it right there. I think it's cute. So when you stand back and you walk into this little area, I think it's pretty darn cute. The laundry room is in here, and I'm going to hang a wreath there. Probably like a little yellow wreath. And then over here, the chandelier and the wine fridges. Then I also have this cute little area right here that has this little topiary. Got some apothecary jars with some corks in it, a faux little pie, and that says Farmhouse Charm, and that's it. And here's another sneak peek of lights we've got going on. We ran out of lights, so we had to order more, but we're gonna have lights going kind of up, down over there. There's the outdoor barbecue area, and I'm going to be decorating this area soon. So stay tuned for that. Here's another quick sneak peek of the bathroom. Powder room down here, I have ordered a new light. I took down this vanity light that opened up like a medicine cabinet. It was really dated. I put this on the wall, and I've ordered buffalo check hand towels for the bathroom, and I'll just clip them on there, which I thought was kind of cute. I got this really cute wax warmer at a country store, and then I got this. You actually put your wax, instead of putting your wax melts in here, you put them in here, and when you're done with it, you can just pick this up, throw it away, and you don't have a mess to deal with. It's genius. I believe these are called tarts. And I did order those on Amazon. They're super cute. You just throw your wax melts in there, turn your light on, and it will melt them. And like I said, you don't have a mess to clean up. And because it's near a sink, I did elevate it on a little pedestal, and then I plugged it in. But anyway, more on this later. Oh, you may remember this. I decided to put it in here. But, oh, and I did this. So this is all logs. Maybe I'll paint this white. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. But what else did I order in here? Well, I ordered a few things, but anyway, it's a start. Now over here, a change I made was I decided to put Mr. Rooster right there just because it goes really well with the wreath. Now over here, I hung these right next to the bookcase, and I love how the black, all the black ties in together. One more thing, I am going to share this because I know some of you will get a kick out of it. I know I did. So Saturday, like I was busy painting and I was decorating and I was doodling around the house, and the sun was sort of going down, and I walked by the front door, and we have a window next to the front door, and I see something staring at me, and I went, oh! And then I told my husband, I'm like, get my phone, run, get my phone. And he's like, why? I'm like, just get the phone. And I run out there, and I got some video. Check it out. Hi there. What you doing? What are you doing? Hi. I love animals, so I went out there and I was talking to him. And I was like, hi, how you doing? What you doing? You're so cute. I was talking to him, and he stood there for, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. And then my dogs kept barking because they wanted to know what I was talking baby talk to. And it kind of scared him off. So then my daughters went to go look at him, and they could hear one of the neighbor ladies saying, cow, get out of my yard, get out of here. And I was like, that poor little cow, he roams this neighborhood, he's always getting out, and he stops traffic. It's hilarious. This is the second time he's come over to our house. The last time it was in our backyard. But to find him in the front yard looking right at me through the door, I was just like, wow, that's so cool. And then later that night, 4 deer came through the backyard. So you just never know what you're gonna find here at the log home. Oh, and one more thing, totally forgot. I've decided to go ahead and launch my new channel, and the channel name was given to me as a suggestion by one of my subscribers. So thank you so much for that wonderful suggestion. And the new channel name is Healthy Through the Seasons. So if you follow me here for decorating, it's Traditions by the Seasons, and my health channel will be Healthy Through the Seasons. There I will be talking about the AIP diet, which is the Autoimmune Protocol diet or Paleo diet. I will be sharing recipes, my progress, what supplements I'm taking, how much water I'm drinking, what sort of exercise I'm doing. I'm not going to show me exercising, of course not, but I will share what I'm doing. And you guys can feel free to join me, and those who are doing it as well, we can all kind of share suggestions on recipes or what's working for you may work for me, and what's working for me may work for you. So it's kind of a win-win. I absolutely love the new channel name because for me, I don't have a choice. My blood work was not great. I did not want to go on blood pressure medication. So this has to be a lifestyle for me. And I think eating clean, eating good food, organic food, it's the way to go. It just makes sense, get rid of all the processed junk and eat whole, clean foods. And I can tell you, I'm feeling so much better, and I'm excited to keep the journey going, my lifestyle going through the seasons. We'll link this new channel in the description box below, and I'll put it in big bold letters, Healthy Through the Seasons. With the link, you can click that, go over to my channel. I hope to have one video up. I'm gonna do a video right after this, and that'll be my first video. And you can feel free to subscribe, hit all notifications, and you should be good to go. I'm not gonna be posting like crazy, you guys. Just to get started, it may be one video a week. I'm not even gonna throw out a schedule at this point. It's just going to be sort of a natural thing where if I feel like posting, I will, and if I have anything interesting to share, I will. And you guys, if you hit all notifications, you'll know. So there you go. Traditions through the seasons and healthy through the seasons. Guys, well, that will wrap up my video. I know it's also random, but we've had so much going on around here, and we're doing project after project after project, so everything's sort of up in the air right now. But we will get to the bookcases. It's gonna be a big video. I may have to split it into a part 1, part 2, or I may be able to kick it out in one day. I just don't know. I just didn't feel like doing it today. So that will be coming, but I will see you then. Bye, guys.